Healthcare costs are a concern for everyone, really, around the world, and to keep those costs down while keeping the healthcare elevated is a really important challenge.
Many organizations are focused on one product area. So if you work for GE or Siemens or Philips, you become very, very knowledgeable on your own products and yet have a limited scope of knowledge on other organizations. And yet Block Imaging's experience across all of the manufacturers allows us to provide a consultative approach in a very unique way, helping and walking side by side with a customer in making the ultimate decision.
We're brand agnostic. We have the ability to turn on a dime where you don't have to pick from a very small selection of products and categories. We work with Philips, Siemens, GE, we work with OEC, we work with all the major brands. And so when you come to Block Imaging, you've kind of got the buffet of options that you can choose from and not have to be, I don't have to sell you on why one is better. Let's take a look at what the needs are and let's find the best solution.
Maybe their accounting team's saying we want you to buy a really cheap scanner, and the head of radiology is saying we want you to buy the latest and greatest 256 slice scanner. Balancing those two needs is really important. So I think it's important that we as a team actually take care of the client's actual best interest.
The relationship that you have with the person you're buying from means so much more than the contract you signed, than the specifications of the system that you thought you were buying. The fact that they know that Block Imaging stands behind my word to them is critical.
We're coming up with new programs, new solutions, new strategies to serve customers better and to serve our partners better because of new technology, which allows us to get better imaging and better health quality and better care of life to folks that we would have never been able to do when I started 15 years ago.
The vertical integration of our business to provide not just the equipment, but to support that equipment through its entire life cycle is something that allows us to meet more and more of the needs in the imaging industry that we serve.
Looking into the future with the amount of experience and the focus we have, it's exciting to think about where we can be 15 years from now.